In this video, we're going to go over a few simple maintenance tips to keep your gravity backdrop looking as good as new. Use a soft brush for dust and debris removal. For larger backdrops, a soft bristled broom will be quicker. Use a simple damp cloth to remove any stains. Try not to oversaturate your backdrop to protect the paint and not to have it dry with a divot. Use a steamer to remove creases, steaming from the back while the backdrop is still hanging. Make sure to store your backdrop taped up, rolled up, and standing up. Now that we've gone over how to maintain your backdrops, let's go over a few things not to do. Don't fold them, but if you get a fold, use the steamer immediately. Don't saturate with water, but if for some reason you find your backdrop gets saturated, pat dry, then wet it evenly and allow it to dry flat so it maintains its shape. Do not use sharp objects that will scrape your backdrop and possibly remove paint. Do not use tape that will leave a heavy residue. With these simple maintenance tips, you can keep your gravity backdrop looking pristine. Thanks for watching.